This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You want to preserve a message as unread, so act now. Do not open the Snapchat app. Instead, read the preview in your device notification center and reply there when possible. This prevents the chat from registering as opened. Once done, make sure notification previews are enabled so future messages are visible without launching the app. If the preview lacks needed detail, ask the sender for a summary via another channel before opening Snapchat. This keeps the original message unread and intact. Once you need more detail, try the core workaround. For image snaps, let the message fully download in the background, then switch to airplane mode before opening. This can sometimes prevent a send receipt from reaching Snapchat servers. For text chats, never open the thread. Use quick reply from the notification or coordinate via another app. Understand why. Snapchat does not provide a native mark has unread control, so these methods are hacks that exploit how delivery receipts and downloads occur rather than an official feature. To finish, if the message is still unread, leave the app closed and handle follow-ups from other platforms. If you already opened the message, your best finish is to ask the sender to resend or explain. This is quicker than trying to reverse status. Clearing the conversation from Snapchat settings removes your local copy, but won't reset the sender's record. Troubleshooting tip. If notification previews don't appear, enable notifications and background app refresh. Then restart the device so previews reliably show without opening Snapchat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.